Alright guys, so man of the hour today is King Leonidas from the movie 300. One of my favorite movies. So we 3D printed this guy up, and basically I shot him with a white primer. Just rattle can, white primer, just so my paint will stick to him. And what I'm going to do is start this guy off. We're going to run some of this light mocha. Get this from Walmart. Apple barrel matte. It's like a buck. What I'm going to do is I'm going to mix it in with a cup because I'm going to airbrush this on. So in order to shoot this kind of paint, I have an airbrush. What you'll do is you'll mix it with some distilled water. So I'll pour that in, stir it. You don't want it too thick and you don't want it too thin. So basically what you'll want to do is you'll want to mix it, dab it on the side. You don't want it to run fast down the side of the cup. It's a little too thin. If you get it too thin, then it's not going to stick. I'm making extremely too much paint right here. So it's just about right. See how when you touch it, it runs down nice. That should be just right. Just make sure you stir it nice and good so you don't get any clogs in your airbrush. Alright, now all I'm going to do is going to shoot a skin tone on him. I'm going to shoot his body, and then I'm going to shoot the skin parts of his head. Alright guys, so throwing the shadows, I'm going to go with a toasted almond. I'll mix this up and put it in there as well. Hey guys, we got some chestnut mixed up right here. I'm gonna throw some more shadow into it. Alright guys, I'm going to hit candy apple red on the cape. Okay, now I mixed up some wine. Gotta throw in some shadows on this thing. Alright guys, I'm gonna put on some black now and start doing this headdress. Bring the gold on the helmet and do my finishing touches and we're done. Okay, now just to finish and touch a couple of the scratches here. Okay, loaded her back up black. We're going to do a little bit of fading on this. Okay guys, now what I got is some perma wet. I'm going to put this around his lips and his mouth, his eyes, just to make them look a little more juicy and it stays wet looking like a clear coat.